What's up, YouTube? We back again with another video, Life with Mel. Yeah, swagger.
And Jackie.
Uh,
Don't forget about me.
yeah. So anyway, today Jackie was able to participate in her first what?
Car show. First one.
Yep,
So,
first car show.
hmm
How was it?
it was fine. It was good for my
Good.
first show. I enjoyed it. Actually, being my own person instead of just riding with you.
So look, typically she team anonymous.
hmm
As you can see, normally when we go to the car show, we rocking the same gear, all that, we match, whatever, because she team anonymous.
And I still am.
Today, she's no longer team anonymous.
I matched my own car.
She matched whatever. All right, so look, check this out. I'm recruiting. I need somebody back on team anonymous because my router left me, man. So, who want to jump on the bandwagon? Team A3S. But, that's enough of that.
I
Anyway.
didn't leave you anyway. I'm still with you. I'm just in a different vehicle.
But
I'm still
she's
with you.
not team anonymous.
I am. I'll wear my shirt next time.
Nah, it's okay. Well, wear your own shirt.
I will.
Your own shirt. Anyway, hey, so we went to this car show today. What's the name of the car show?
It was Queen's Carriages Auto Club.
Yes.
Their first car show.
Yes.
It was here in
Chattanooga, yeah. It was.
at Washington Hills Recreation Center.
Yeah. So proper.
Well, I mean,
Listen up. Hey.
hi.
Yeah. Anyway, so we get there, a little early, whatnot, get the cars cleaned up and everything. At first, it was just a few cars there. But a lot more cars started coming in. Predominantly classic cars, probably a handful of modern, or even mid-modern, whatever you want to call it. But it was a good turnout though. They had some great food vendors there. One had some drink that was
Moe's Lemonade.
Moe's Lemonade was there, and we've had theirs before. It's good. But that lemonade I had today, that stuff was, whew.
Yeah, I had tropical punch.
Man, let me tell you, I don't know what was in it. I know sugar was in it,
A lot.
but it was good. You can tell it came from the hood. I'm just saying, the lemonade was good. So, what's the name of the catering? What's the name of that truck? What's the name of it?
I cannot remember.
I can't
I
remember.
know you went to school with her. Right?
Yeah, I went to school with her. So Tracy Ellis. So if you see this video, shout out to you. Hot dog was good. French fries was good. The drink was banging. That's all I can say. The drink was banging.
We should have got more to go.
Man, that'd probably be a diabetic by the time you get to drinking that stuff. Man, it ain't nothing. It's like crack in the cup.
Yeah, bottle.
Yeah, crack in the bottle, crack in the cup. It don't matter. It was cold crack.
Yeah.
That's all I can say. But we got some video footage.
We did.
That we're gonna put into the video. So make sure you check out the video all the way through. Jackie participated. No, she didn't bring home a trophy this time, but I feel like she was able to see a few things that maybe she could work on and improve. But overall, I think the car was clean.
Yeah.
She had a lot of people come up to her. I don't want to talk. Why am I doing all the talking? Why don't you talk?
You do so well at it.
But you need to talk to the people. This Mel and Jackie.
Yeah, and I'm talking.
You barely talking, man.
I don't want to cut you off.
I ain't got nothing to say.
Okay. Well, anyway, enough of us.
What?
So,
What do you mean?
us bickering.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, show started out a little slower, but it did grow. There was a nice crowd. I enjoyed the atmosphere, I would have to say, because we did have a little, would you call them a dance crew?
Yes, that dance team was there, a little dance. You know, there was, I guess they call it the Chicago Shuffle or somebody's Shuffle.
Yeah.
I don't know all that stuff, but we got some footage of that too.
Yeah.
We're gonna check that out though.
But they all did well. They were matching, had their team shirts.
Mm-hmm.
They were mature.
See, they was matching.
They were some mature ladies. Would you like for me to pause and go put mine on?
Nah, it's all
Okay.
good now. It's just about that savage to it.
Yeah, it is. But anyway, yeah, it was a really nice crowd. So we'll go ahead and let you see a little bit of what went down in the show, what was there, give you a little bit of a teaser, and we'll show it here.
Yeah, we're gonna show. Hey, I got some good clips of some nice rides that was out there, So just watching, feel free, whatever,
Enjoy.
Enjoy, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so there you have it. That's what our day looked like. Scoot this chair. That's what our day looked like. That's how the show went. We hope you enjoyed it. As we said, I did not win anything. However, a certain somebody did get. What'd you get? It's backwards. What'd you get? He got Judge's Choice. I did win a raffle prize. So okay, they get it. So anyway, please be sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell.
Hit that bell.
Yeah, and we shall see you all next time. Bye.
Peace.